You're paying for AI subscriptions you don't even need. 5 free tools are doing the same job, sometimes better, and nobody's talking about them. This is Zentic, your shortcut to mastering artificial intelligence without the hype. In the last video, we fixed how you use AI tools. Today, I'm handing you 5 completely free alternatives that rival premium platforms. No credit cards. First up, Perplexity AI. Think ChatGPT meets Google, but it actually shows its sources. Most AI chatbots hallucinate facts or give outdated information. Perplexity searches the web in real time and tells you exactly where every answer comes from. Here's a real use case. I needed market research for a tech startup pitch. Instead of digging through articles for hours, I asked, what are the top 3 AI automation trends for small businesses in 2025? 30 seconds later, detailed insights, recent reports, clickable sources. If you're a student, researcher, or just need accurate info fast, this tool is a cheat code. And yes, the free version is more than enough. Number 2. Leonardo AI. Everyone knows Midjourney, but it costs money. Leonardo gives you 150 free image generations every single day. And the quality? Stunning. It's built for creators who need concept art, thumbnails, or marketing visuals without burning cash. The interface is clean. You get control over styles, aspect ratios, and image models. I used it to mock up a YouTube thumbnail last week. Prompt: futuristic robot reading a glowing book. Cinematic lighting, purple and blue tones. First try. Nailed it. If visuals matter to you, bookmark this immediately. Tool number 3. Gamma app. Forget spending hours formatting slides in PowerPoint or Canva. Gamma builds entire presentations from a single prompt. You type the topic, choose a style, and it generates the slides, the layout, and the visuals. The free plan gives you 400 AI credits a month. That's around 8 to 10 full presentations. Perfect for students, founders, and anyone pitching ideas. Example: create a 10-slide pitch deck about the future of remote work. 3 minutes later, I had a presentation I could actually present. You tweak it, but the heavy lifting is already done. Quick recap: Perplexity for real-time research with sources. Leonardo for professional image generation. Gamma for instant presentations. 3 tools, $0, maximum impact. All 5 tools are linked in the description below. I didn't have time to cover the last 2, so check them out yourself. Subscribe to Zentic so you never miss future AI breakdowns. And next, watch our video on prompt engineering secrets.